Good morning, students. Today's topic is division of a polynomial by a monomial. In previous video, I was explaining about the division of a monomial by a monomial. So once again, I am here with the next video on the topic division of a polynomial by a monomial. There are two steps for division of a polynomial by a monomial. The step number one is, first we arrange the terms of the dividend in the descending order of their degrees. The next step is the divide each term of the polynomial by the given monomial using the rules of the division of a monomial by a monomial. कहने का मतलब ये है कि जब हम लोग डिवीज़न करेंगे किसी भी पॉलिनोमियल को मोनोमियल से, तो सबसे पहला स्टेप हमारा होगा कि अरेंज द टर्म्स ऑफ डिविडेंड इन द डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर इन देयर डिग्रीज. जो भी हमारा डिविडेंड होगा, डिविडेंड में जो भी हमारा पॉलिनोमियल होगा उसको उसके डिग्रीज के अकॉर्डिंग डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लगा लेंगे. इज दैट क्लियर? कम ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, दैट इज स्टेप नंबर 2. डिवाइड ईच टर्म ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल बाय द गिवन मोनोमियल. पॉलिनोमियल के हर एक टर्म्स को हम जो हमारा मोनोमियल होगा उससे डिवाइड करेंगे एंड यूजिंग द रूल्स ऑफ द डिवीजन ऑफ अ मोनोमियल बाय अ मोनोमियल. और उसी रूल का यूज करेंगे जो हम पिछले वीडियो में हमने मोनोमियल से डिवीजन के रूल में देखे हैं. ठीक है, लेट्स टेक सम एग्जांपल. विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस एग्जांपल वी कैन एक्सप्लेन द डिवीजन ऑफ अ पॉलिनोमियल बाय अ मोनोमियल. एग्जांपल नंबर 1 है, divide 15x5 plus 12x4 minus 9x² plus 6 divided by 3. First we write this as like this in the form of p by q or in the form of numerator upon denominator. Now separate the terms, divide each term of the polynomial by the monomial. We can write it as 15x to the power 5 divided by 3 plus 12x to the power 4 divided by 3 minus 9x² divided by 3 plus 6 by 3. हमने क्या करा, जो भी हमारा पॉलिनोमियल्स था वो ऑलरेडी हमारा डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लगा हुआ था. हमने क्या करा, इसको डिवाइड करना था. तो जो भी हमारा मोनोमियल था हमने पॉलिनोमियल के हर एक टर्म्स में मोनोमियल से डिवाइड कर दिया. अब इसको कर लेंगे सॉल्व. तो 3 से कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 3 5 जा 15, 3 से ये भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 3 4 जा 12, 3 से ये भी हो जाएगा, 3 3 जा 9 एंड 3 2 जा 6. इट बिकम्स 5x to the power 5 प्लस 4x to the power 4 माइनस 3x² प्लस 2. दिस इज द आंसर. इजी है ना? ठीक है, कम ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट example number 2. Here is another example. In this example, divide 32x to the power 8 minus 24x to the power 6 plus 16x to the power 5 minus 12x cube by 4x square. First we write it as numerator upon denominator divided by 4x square. Now it is also in dividend. It is also arranged in the descent powers of degrees of the powers of descending order. Now we divide each term of the polynomial by the monomial. It becomes 32x to the power 8 upon 4x square minus 24x to the power 6 upon 4x square plus 16x to the power 5 upon 4x square minus 12x cube upon 4x square. Now using the rules of the division of a monomial by the monomial, 4 को कट कर देंगे, 4 8 32, 4 6 24, 4 4 is 16, 4 3 is 12. And here numerator is x to the power 8 and denominator is the x to the power 2. By using law of exponent, if bases are same then powers are subtracted. According to the law of exponent, it becomes 8 x to the power 8 minus 2. Minus here 6, numerator is x to the power 6, denominator is x to the power 2. Then bases are same, the powers are subtracted. It becomes x to the power 6 minus 2 plus 4 x to the power. Here also using the law of exponent, it becomes 5 minus 2 minus 3 x cube upon x square. It becomes x to the power 3 minus 2. Now it becomes 8 x to the power 6 minus 6 x to the power 4 plus 4 x to the power 3 minus 3x. This is the answer. Is that clear? Come on to the next example. In this example, divide 9ab square minus 15a cube b4 by minus 3ab square. First we write it as numerator upon denominator. Now divide each term of the polynomial by the monomial. It becomes 9ab square divided by minus 3ab square minus 15 a cube b4 divided by minus 3 ab square. अब इसको डिवाइड करेंगे, इसको काट देते हैं, यहाँ से कट जाएगा ये 3 3 जा 9, 3 5 जा 15. जब माइनस ऊपर शिफ्ट हो जाएगा माइनस ए, यहाँ ए है यहाँ भी ए है, दोनों बेसिस सेम है, पावर भी सेम है, तो ए से कैंसिल हो जाएगा. ये बी स्क्वायर है, यहाँ भी बी स्क्वायर है, तो ये बी स्क्वायर से बी स्क्वायर भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ बचेगा सिर्फ माइनस 3, माइनस ये माइनस ऊपर जाएगा तो माइनस माइनस हो जाएगा प्लस 5. अब ए क्यूब अपॉन ए, तो बेस सेम है तो पावर सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगी, 3 माइनस 1 हो जाएगा. एंड बी 4 माइनस 2, बेसेस सेम है तो पावर आर सब्ट्रैक्टेड. इट बिकम्स माइनस 3 प्लस 5a स्क्वायर b. 4 माइनस 2 इज b स्क्वायर. This is the answer. Is that clear? एक और एग्जांपल लेते हैं, उसको सॉल्व करके देखते हैं. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल है हमारा डिवाइड 2x4 प्लस 3x क्यूब माइनस x स्क्वायर बाई 1/3x. First we divide each term of the polynomial by monomial, then it becomes 2x4 upon 1/3x plus 3x cube upon 1/3x minus x square upon 1/3x. Constant that divide 2 divided by 1/3, which it can be write as it as 2 को डिवाइड करेंगे 1/3 से. And this becomes, by using law of exponent, power of the variable is 4 and in denominator power of the variable is 1. Bases are same, then powers are subtracted. 4 minus 1 plus 3 is divided by also 1/3 and x to the power 3 minus 1. Bases are same, powers are subtracted. Again minus, here coefficient of x square is 1, then 1 divided by 1/3 and power of the variable is x 2 minus 1. Bases are same, then powers are subtracted. Now it becomes 2 multiply, it becomes 3/1. This is x cube plus 3 multiply 3/1 x. 3 minus 1 is 2 minus, it becomes 1 multiply 3 x to the power 1. 2 minus 1 is x. Here when we divide 2 divided by 1 by 3, when we change the sign of divide is into multiply and change the denominator, reverse the denominator. 1 upon 3 write as 3 upon 1 after changing the sign of divide by multiply. Now solve it. It becomes 6x cube plus 3 3 is 9 x square minus 3 1 is 3x. This is the answer. Is that clear? Let's take one example. One more example. Divide minus p to the power 6 plus 2p4 plus 4 pi q plus 2p square by under root 2p. Now same procedure apply here. First we write this as the form of p by q or numerator upon denominator. Now divide each term of the polynomial by monomial. It becomes minus p6 upon under root 2p plus 2p4 upon root 2p plus 4pq upon under root 2p plus 2p square upon under root 2p. We know that since we know that under root 2 into under root 2 it becomes 2. Now in the place of 2 we can write root 2 into root 2. It becomes minus 1 upon under root 2 p. Bases are same and powers are subtracted. 6 minus 1 plus here 2 can be written as in the form of root 2 into root 2. So root 2 into root 2 upon root 2 and power of the variable is subtracted. P to the power 4 minus 1 again plus 4 can be written as 2 into 2 and 2 into root 2 into root 2. Root 2 root 2 2 2 to the 4. Now 4 can be written as 2 into root 2 into root 2 divided by root 2 p. Now p power of the variable subtracted, it becomes p 3 minus 1 again plus 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 upon root 2. P square upon p is p 2 minus 1. Now solve it. It becomes minus 1 upon root 2 p to the power 5 plus root 2 cancel. It becomes under root 2 p cube plus root 2 cancel. It becomes 2 under root 2 p square plus here root 2 is also cancel. It becomes under root 2 p. This is the answer. तो इस टाइप से हम किसी भी क्वेश्चन को अगर वो हमारा पॉलिनोमियल है उसे डिवाइड करना है मोनोमियल से तो हम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. फ्रेंड्स हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ फिर हाजिर होंगे एक बार. तो हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक होगा वो होगा डिवीज़न ऑफ अ पॉलिनोमियल बाय अ बाइनोमियल और पॉलिनोमियल. थैंक यू.